And we are live. And we are live again. Hello, we are live again. We're live again. For the one of you that didn't know, I went live this morning as well. Grinding through the progress. One second, I need to finish the setup because I shut down everything and now now I have to restart everything. I'm not going to advertise the stream again. I advertised it this morning and I think it's enough. Whoever wants to join is welcome. Wow. Okay, I think this is done. This is done. And that's it. And we are live. And we are live, boys. Oh yeah, why not? Why not going live again? Why not? Why not? Beautiful music. It's our music. is our music. So hello, who joined? Hello, my 3DS. Hello, thank you for the follow. Thank you and welcome to the stream. I am a tiger and I'm programming a video game. So that's all normal. Everything is running okay. So we are working on our MMO and in particular we are working on the help system. And yeah. The idea is to create a window. Well, the idea was to create a window like this with different, with kind of a tree of information, and we did it. So it's basically done. It's like working already. Now I can show you if you want. There are a few things that I'm missing. One part that I'm missing is that I would like to I would like to display one of these sections only if you are a game master. Because I think there is no need for a normal player to know all the commands of a game master, right? But it could be useful for GM. So the question is, do we have client side the knowledge of the character being a game master or not? I don't think so, but let me double check. So we have inside PS character, right? There is a section dedicated to the properties we are replicating. Server to client, and one day I will split this class. Yes, maybe one day, but not now. Okay, so there is all the stuff that I am replicating. No, we don't have that. So so I think there is a function called isGM on. By the way, wait a second, because that information is actually on player controller. Huh? Yes, because it's player controller that is managing the. Do I have a lifetime replicated something here as well or not? Yes. We have it, boys. We have it. We have the security level. So we know. That's very nice. I don't remember where I used it, but it seems that we are replicating the security level to our player controller client side. It's my. Hello, my. Bienvenue. I can speak French easy. Typical tiger speaking French. Okay, so that is our thing. And this section, GM commands, right? This section, GM commands, is the one that I would like to enable or disable, right? Based on whatever. And also, I would like to clean up this thing. And I don't know if I want to automatically select the first one or not. Maybe not. I still feel this part on the right is super big. You know, the font is very big compared to everything else. Can we go from 18 to 16 or something like that? Because it seems to be too big. It seems to be too big. Let me change the scene. Okay, we are in the other scene. So what should I change to? I think I need to change WD whatever. WD help. WD help text. At the moment is 18. Let's try to go 16. Let's try to go 16. Maybe 16 would be good enough. Okay, so also maybe we clean up now. Now that we did all the tests, we clean up the stuff on the right. Right, we don't need this text block and we don't need this text block. This would just test that we... Okay, so we can clean up that. And then yeah, and maybe we can, if we can select the first menu automatically as soon as you open up the window, that would be good. So to select automatically, I think we need to call I think we need to call the WD some tab help something. I think we need to call this, but we need to know which one is the ID of the start. The ID of the start is 31. Okay, so I think if we call this one with 31, in theory the first tab should be highlighted. And the other thing I want to do is whenever you are switching between one tab and the other tab, right, like this, I want to clean up the selected object and I want to clean up the stuff on the left, right? I think it's reasonable. So I want to clean up, let me think about it. I want to clean up the selected object, and the selected object is I think it's current help node, right? Yes. I mean, if it's valid. If it's not valid, no. Should I have a function called cleanup? Yeah, maybe. Let's create a function called cleanup. Cleanup on change. You have to go. Okay, goodbye, my friend. See you later. See you later. So we so if current node is valid, we clean it up, and also I want to have the current box on the right. The box on the right is what? Is TXT description. I think it's TXT description. No. Is TXT description. I think we don't use it anymore, by the way. Is VBox content. So with VBox content, clear all children, okay? Clear all children. Okay, this should give a bit more of a smooth experience to our beautiful players. Let me try. And then since we are here, because the restarting takes a bit of time, let me also do the other piece, which is hiding the GM tab. So do we want the tab to be hidden by default, and and populated only if security level is greater than 0? I would say yes. So let me check when we do this security level thingy. Security level. Because security level should be in player controller somewhere. Get security level. I don't remember why I'm using this. Display hide invisible state over imposed on the character. Was for the invisible stuff. I am the invisible man. I am the invisible man. This one, right? If visible, visibility. So I think we just need to get security level greater than 0. Yes, that is what we need. This is what we need. So yeah, I think it's super easy. We just do it in the I don't even know if I want to do it in the construction. So if I'm not a game master, I'm not even reading that file, right? Because in theory, by the way, I need to call cleanup on change, huh? Now that I created it, maybe I should call it. Maybe I should call it, boys. Wait. I mistyped it. It's cleanup on change. Okay. I think cleanup on change can be called by all of them whenever. Now yeah, I'm thinking that you will have access to the GM commands only if you really are a GM. So I mean, we're speaking about help here. So I think we just get our player controller and we cast it to player controller and we just get our security level from there, okay? And then what? And then if it's greater than 0, then we enable the GM panel, which by default we will hide. Okay, so this GM commands by default will be visibility collapsed. Okay, and so it will really not exist. It will really not exist, and only if is greater than 0, we will set the visibility to. We will set the visibility to non-testable, whatever, and then we will load in. Okay, I think we need the other sections, right? Hello, Hula. Believe it or not, Hula, but I was here this morning, huh? You don't know because you were sleeping. There was another French guy a few minutes ago. I was here a few minutes ago and then it disappeared. Poof. Poof. You've seen it, huh? In the morning. So your advantage is that I already worked a number of hours, and so now you can get the progress for free, right? You can see the progress that I did, and it's like if you traveled into the future. It's like traveling into the future for you, huh? You travel into the future 4 hours. It's always the good one who disappear first. Yes, I agree. Poor Mai. Where is Mai gone? Where is Mai gone? We are disappear. Yeah. Disappear. So it's basically when you are out of peers, right? If you're out of peers, it's disappear. Okay. So if we are okay, so we need another VBox. We need to add one VBox for each of the thing that we want to do. So after progression, we have chat commands. Then we have GM commands, and then we have additional help, right? Chat commands. So let me duplicate. Duplicate. So this will be VBox chat commands. This will be VBox GM commands. And this will be VBox. Additional help, I don't know really. Additional help. Yeah, but anyway, it will be. I don't know. Additional help, I'm not sure if it will be a VBox. My idea was to put these links. But I'm not 100% sure how to do it. But we will see. We will see. Okay. So we have all these V boxes. We have 1,000,000 V boxes. So what I wanted to say is that if you are a game master, right? If you are a game master, I would like to... Let me do the game master last, okay? Let me do the game master last. So... So I need to get my VBox chat commands. My VBox... additional help. Now set up help window. Let me see. Set up help window. I mean, this is okay because I can go by file name, and this will be help chat. This will be help chat, but additional help. I think we will do it a bit special. Additional help. I think additional help, I can do it manually. Now, the problem, what is the problem? The problem is that this will be a special link, right? This will be a special link. How do I do it? I have no idea. The idea will be to be able to click on a link as soon as... But I think we need to prototype this. I have no idea how to do it at the moment. We need to prototype it in the other screen. Right, and then we have the game master one, and the game master we will be help GM. Okay. Okay. This one I have no idea how to do it, boys. This one I have no idea how to do it. Okay, let me test it in the other project. because I need to understand what I need to understand how to do it, because we need clickable links. We need clickable links. That's not easy. So that is the sample project that I used to build the stuff, right? And if I press T and then I press one of those, right? So I think the idea is that when I press website, wait, I'm choking on myself. When I press website, yeah. How can we do that? That's a problem. So I will have to fill out basically a VBox only for the links, right? So I need a VBox. Let me try. Duplicate. So this will be VBox website somehow, right? And VBox website will be enabled. So I will do this, and I will do this, and I will do no, and I will do this, and I will do this. Okay, and this is fine, right? This is fine. This will just enable that VBox. The problem is that I need to fill that VBox with something. So I think in the construct, because if I do setup, right? If I do setup, create 0 level nodes, create help node widget, get node, create this, create that. So I need to create a new help node, and then I need to do what? I need to do the setup. Wait. So I need to do this. But the problem is the setup, because this one will be a very different type, right? So it's like if I need to add it's like if my content is different, right? So I need content something, and I mean, I can. I don't know, guys. I have no idea how to do it. I need. So let's assume for a second that I call setup. Okay, if I call setup, what can I say? I can say is end item yes. I can say PS wiki. I can say plane shift wiki. The problem is what to put into the content, because What do I put into the content? So basically I need to have a new flag that is something like isLink, right? Yeah, I think so. I need to have a new flag that is like isLink, and if isLink, we will have a clickable text. Do we want to have a clickable text, or we want to have a clickable link, or we want to have a button? Because the easiest would be to add a button on the fly, but I think a button on the fly. So, okay. So the idea is to have a clickable link. So I need to change. My. I need to change this to have an isLink. I can do it. We can have an isLink, and in case it is linked, then what we do? Okay, I added this link. Now I hope you have thinking to add some GM commands for making some sort of easy random generation. It's not that easy. I mean, I don't know. Maybe. Wait, I think everything went crazy. The reason everything went crazy is because I had two different editor open, and the recompile of this. But I think it's enough, no? So I have isLink, and then I have in the text, I put the text, and in the picture reference, I put the link. I put the link where you need to go, and that's it. I mean, it's a bit dirty, but I think it's okay. I like dirty things. So let's go to. Okay, let me add it here as well. So I'm doing it on in both places at the same time, okay? So that we have it also, because anyway, this is the way we're gonna do it. So I'm adding it also to our main project, okay? And now with that link, I can have a button, or I can have. I don't know exactly what I want to have. I don't know. But don't lose faith, huh? Don't lose faith. Don't lose faith. We can do this, huh? So I could say, right? I could say isLink. I could say isLink, and I could put inside Oh my god, again? Again Wonder Boy. Again Wonder Boy, the same of yesterday. Wow, on 2000 songs, well, on 2600 songs. Nice. So on the text, we can say, yeah, we can say HTTP. What? We can say HTTPS. What is our wiki? Our wiki link? Wiki link. Not WikiLeaks. Wiki link. Is this? Oh my god! All of this? Okay, fine. I mean, no problem. So this will be the link. And yes, and we will put it, okay, so we will do setup of that. And we will say help node, yes, help node. And we will say, holy fuck, what happened? What? No! We changed the structure and now everything went crazy. Are you serious? What the fuck? Just because we added one thing? Are you serious? Why? I mean, only because we added one line. What the hell is going on? Holy shit. Okay. Okay. I don't know what happened, but it broke because we changed the... So it will break also in our main project, huh? It will break also in our main project. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Oh, it's not a big change, so I think it's okay. No, but I wanted to say that... Okay, here. Now, when we... Yeah, now when we do this, right? When we do this, I think we can check if it's a link first, right? So that we clear out that case. So if I check if it's a link, I mean, if it's false, I go here. If it's true, what do? We create a... I think I need a new widget. I need a link widget, right? Yeah, we will create a link widget. And the link widget will... okay, let me just see 1 second what happens now. Yes, plain shift wiki. Okay, so at the moment, when I click here, nothing happens, but it's okay. But it's okay. Wait, even if it's a bit strange, I should be able to click it though. I cannot even click it. Why I cannot click it? Why I cannot click it? That is kind of strange, huh? Because it doesn't know... No, wait. What? What? Why I cannot click on plane shift wiki? Why I cannot click on plane shift wiki? I don't understand. In theory... What? You see that here we go through this, but here we don't. What the fuck? Because I added it to... Wait. Because I added it to... I added it to a V-box that actually is not visible or is not front. I added it to a V-box. I added it to a V-box that is not front. No, it is front for sure. What do you mean? What the f... I don't understand why. Why my thingy is not clickable? Wait, create help node widget, yes. Add child, yes, to... Ah, because I don't... Wait, because I don't do the bind. Yeah, I don't do the bind event. That's why. I don't do the bind. I don't do the bind. Without the bind, it will never work. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, so now we will be clickable. Wait, maybe if I connect what I need to connect. Okay, now it's clickable. Okay, now it's clickable. So, well, why is clickable only one time? If I click it again, okay, this is the problem everywhere. Okay, but it's not a problem. So if okay, now it's clickable. So I have to do this kind of setup, right? And then I need to say if, so I think we can clone, I don't know what I want to do when I think this will be wd help link, okay, and wd help link will be just a text, and it will be a text and a button, or what? Do we want to have a button? The problem of a button is that I will need to have a button. Yeah, I think I will have a button, but I need to do it in our real game, because otherwise this will not work. Yeah, the problem of the button is that it will never be in line with the rest of the text. Fuck. I think I will add the 2 items. Yeah. In case I have a link, I will. Okay, we need to do it in our real game because otherwise I'm wasting time. Let's do it directly on the other side, okay? But I think I know what I want to do now. I know what I want to do. So the idea is this. The idea is this. Let me close this. Okay, so we recompile with the isLink. Right? Are there any new free games, by the way? Even if I never play them, but just for fun, just to have them, you know, just for the collection. Limited time offer. Login now to unlock Ballot and other powerful idol champion of the Forgotten Realms. What is idol champion? Is it Dungeons and Dragon? Is it Dungeons and Dragon game that I don't know of? I have it already. Idol Champion Forgotten Realm is a Dungeons and Dragons strategy management game. What is this thing? Mind Flyer. Okay. Anyway, I have it at the moment. I have it already. Okay, did you finish compiling or not? Yeah, you finished. No, failed? What do you mean failed? Yeah, for the memory thingy. And there is Wonder Boy? What do you mean Wonder Boy? We just listened to Wonder Boy. Is this a different Wonder Boy? Why they called it Wonder Boy? It's not Wonder Boy. Have you looked at someone giving your answer to the U forum? Yeah, I looked this morning. I can check again. I can check again. Is here. Is here. No, zero answers. Zero answers, but I found a trick, you know, which is the one of adding the /n manually. So it's not the best, but it's better than nothing. Okay, so succeeded. Nice. So we have that succeeded. Now what do you mean Wonder Boy? Why they called it Wonder Boy? Wonder Boy, I think is registered a trademark, no? Or you cannot register Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy. PS Unreal, right? Scripts, okay. Editor. No, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this, boys. There's no chance. We're gonna do. I want to see this Wonder Boy though. Just because we add, you know, the music. I can do it in parallel, okay? Wonder Boy, the Dragon Strap, but well, I mean, this is nothing to do with the original, right? It's just a fake, huh? I think it's a fake. But anyway. Okay, so okay, let's try to go step by step, huh? The same way we did the same way we did the same way. So the same way we did with our test project, right? So I have the link. I need to create a function right? I need to create a function that is, I need to create, I need to create a function here that will be called setup links section or something like that. Okay, setup links section. Now the setup links section I think is fully hard coded and it's okay. So being fully hard coded, we basically need this block, right? But I need the bind event, huh? Yeah, but I think I can use it as a, yeah, I think I can. It's not a problem. So we will construct help node, right? We will construct help node, and here we will construct help content. No, we will, wait, what is going on? What is the setup? Uh-oh, I cannot do it. I cannot do it. I cannot do it because this is because it is not a function. Well, I mean, I can transform it to a... No, wait, what do you mean? No, wait a second. No, for sure I can. For sure I can. What do you mean, but I can't? Wait. No, I just need to call setup like this. Yes, exactly. Setup, yes. Yes, where that is plain shift wiki. Okay, this is an end item, yes. That is my content, right? That is my content, and the first okay. Okay, and this is this link. Okay, I understand. Now, the only problem I have is the bind event, because the bind event, I absolutely need it. The bind event is coming from... the bind event should be an input here. The bind event should be an input and should be of type event delegate. Event something. Well, let me do this. It's probably easier. GG. Okay. So I don't know if this is correct, but in theory it should. Now VBox website. VBox website for us is VBox additional help. Okay. Okay, so So we call setup, we call this, we call this, and we do this. Okay, so that we have the same event. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So this is setting up basically the PS Wiki link. So we have this link, and we have the is link, and we have the texture. Now, yeah, this thing is a bit complex, huh? Because it's a bit out of the ordinary in our normal management of all of this. So I will have to create a new node, right? That is called WDhelp link. WDhelp link, and this WDhelp link. But I think it would look nice, huh? At the end it would look nice. I think at the end it would look very nice. If I copy this and I paste it, right? Now the only problem is that the text, well, I can have a setup here as well. What? No, wait. Okay. So, right. So, okay. So I need a setup function, right? I need a setup function here as well. Setup link button or something. Setup link button, and this setup link button will take what? Will take the text and the link. So I need two parameters. One is the label, and another is the actual link, right? And both are strings. And then I take this button and I then I take this button no, it's not set up. I take this button and I need to change the okay. Okay. So we don't take this button, we take the label. And we set the text here, right? So we set the text equal to the label. Okay. And then the only thing that we need to do is when we click on it, right? When we click on the button, we need to save the link somewhere. Okay. And when we click on the button, we need to do launch URL, right? Launch URL, and we take our link and we call that URL. Okay, so this will basically go to the website when you click on it, right? 23,000 viewers at the TwitchCon closing ceremony. I hope they made a raid on Planeshield at the end. I don't think that... that would be nice, but I don't think that TwitchCon cares about us. They don't know who we are. We can say hello there. Wait, we can do this. Twitch.tv. We can say raid me after. I have no shame. What is the TwitchCon? Is he? Okay. Verified account only, chat. I think I am a verified account. But do you think it's finishing or not? Raid me when the show is over. No shame. Verified account only. Twitch require phone verification. Yeah. I mean, why I cannot verify my account? Sure I can verify. We never verified that account. I mean, no problem. We should receive an SMS. Enter the code found in your authenticator app. Oh my god. Enter the code found in my authenticator app. I mean the Twitch authenticator app. Holy shit. Okay, we got it. We got a code. No. He went away. He went away. I saw it for a second. Okay, see. No. Fuck. I cannot do it because it's already used by another of my accounts. Unbelievable. Okay, so it's not possible, boys. It's not possible because it's not. I mean, this account is. I mean, that mobile phone is already registered to another account, so I cannot re-verify it. But anyway, who cares? No, I cannot post it. There is no chance. Pete, but it's okay. So when we click on the button, we launch that particular URL. Yes, exactly. Okay. Okay, so now what? Now when... now that is the complexity though, because when I click on... Okay, I set up my link section, which is perfectly fine. But then when I... yes, here, exactly here. Exactly here. If so, if it's a link, so we check first if this thing is a link. If it's not a link, we go here. But if it's a link, then we need to do two things. We need to create a new... I think we will create a new text widget where the text widget let me think about it. I think we will do this. I think we will put into the pick reference this thing, and in the text will be this website with this website is a collaborative wiki where you can find additional information about the game. Okay. Okay, so assuming so we have the text in the text and the link in the picture reference. Okay, so we need to create, the first thing we do, we create a new help text, and in the help text we Yeah, I need way more space. I need way more space. Okay. So we created the text and we add it to the content box, yes. And we set the text equal to this text, okay? So that is the first step. Then the second step is to create... the second step is to create... an help link, right? And help link, then we need to set it up, and the setup will be I think the label I think the label is just go to website, I don't know. Or open website. And the link is this, okay? And then after this, what do we do? Set the brush at the child. We add this, yes. And we add this again, yes. So in reality, this and this should go together. Let me maybe make it a bit bigger. And so we have the link there. So if it's a link, we do this. Let me try to reorganize this mess. So this is a link to a website, right? There is a link to a website. Then this is, oh my god. There is a picture. Why this thing is so messy? Because this image is here. Okay. This is a picture. And this is text. Is plain text. Okay, so these are the three cases. We have the case in which is a picture, we have the case in which is a link, and we have a case in which is text, right? So these are the possibilities at the moment. Okay. Okay, it's slightly better. I mean, it's not the best, but it is slightly better organized. Okay, good. Good. Okay, we should just test it and see what it does. I have no idea. I did so many changes that I have no idea what it would be doing. Now, we will have only one link at the moment, okay? But if it works, then we can just duplicate this section 2 or 3 times and we will have all the links, right? Now, the only problem is that we are not yet clearing out... Let me think about that. GM commands, additional help. Yeah, we are not doing anything here. We are not doing anything here. You know why? I think we will have... because I have so many VBoxes that I would just create a new function that is hide all VBoxes. Or maybe I can have a show one VBox and I put the VBox that I want to show. Yeah. hide all, let's call it hide all VBoxes except one. Okay, I'll hide all VBoxes except one will be we will have a vertical box. A vertical box as a parameter, and this will be called VBox. If it works, we play Wonder Boy, okay? But it needs to work, huh? Assuming the Wonder Boy was downloaded. Yeah, it's downloaded. Okay, so just to unclutter a bit this mess, right? I will just remove all of this and I will put it in my function, and I will say hide of all of them, right? So I will add you know, probably is even nicer if we do this. Look at this technique, huh? Look at this technique. Look at this technique. Right? So that's much better, huh? And so start, so we have start, interaction, progression, start, interaction, progression, then we have chat commands, then we have GM commands, and then we have additional help. Okay, so these are all the different VBoxes that we have available. So all of them will go into an array, and then we cycle our array and we set them all to collapsed, right? And then we set only the last guy, which is this guy, as visible, not it testable, self only, whatever that. Okay, so okay, so now is much easier because we can just call this function instead of all this mess, right? So I can just call this and say hide all except, right, hide all except my start box. Much better, right? So I can delete all of this, and so I can replicate only this piece, right? And we can say hide all except interaction, hide all except progression, hide all except chat commands, and so on, forever and ever. Hide all except GM commands, and hide all except additional help. Okay, because this is helping, you know, for cleaning, for keeping it clean. Otherwise it would have been 100 boxes, right? So here we will have we'll have like 5 boxes, which is insane. And here we do a cleanup, right? And at the end we do a cleanup on change. So yes, all these lines should go, here. Easy. Okay, nice. I don't know exactly what this is doing, but I think it's doing something. Okay, so let me see what happened. Let me see what we did. I think I want some fresh water. want some fresh water because it's hot again. Not bad, not bad. Okay. I'm back. I'm back. So we do. So we go in game. Ah, you didn't select the first tab. Why? It's kind of strange, huh? But okay, so this part works, right? But I need to see additional help. Okay, I have my Planeshift wiki. I click on it. I see this website is a collaborative wiki where you can find additional information about the game. And then if I click here, magic. Absolute magic. It actually opened the wiki. Yeah, I actually opened the wiki, but it's in the other browser, in the other screen, right? But he actually opened it. Okay, perfect. Very nice. It actually works. It actually works, boys. That's very good. That is very good. Yeah, it actually worked. Sorry, I'm just checking something. Okay. Fine. It actually worked. Okay, nice. So we can... I don't know what happened exactly when I'm clicking again on the same thing, but it seems that when I'm clicking again, it's already highlighted. I think we should do nothing, right? If we click and it's already... Isn't it incredible how, you know, you connect like 1 million different lines and you create 1 million functions and things, and you click, you create nodes, you create redirections, you create, then you launch and everything works. That's insane, huh? I mean, what are the chances of connecting random boxes that stuff is actually going to work by itself? I mean, I think are very, 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 very low. So it's incredible, huh? Yeah, it means anyway, so what are we doing now? No, I wanted just to do the check that if the click, right? If we are clicking the same item that is already highlighted, we should do nothing, right? So if this is equal to the current help node, we do nothing. Uh-oh, this graph, boys. We were speaking about complex graphs yesterday. You know, these graphs start to be interesting. These graphs start to be, well, not really, but there are some stuff, there's some stuff there, some stuff here. This part is a bit complex, but... okay, so we check if they are the same, right? We do nothing. We do nothing. Same node already selected. Okay, now let's add the other links, right? And to add the other links, I just go under setup. Yes, here. I think we have to duplicate basically all of this for each link that we want, right? So we duplicate it and we give me a second, I need to understand what I'm doing. Do we duplicate? Yeah, I think we duplicate, yes. What do we wanted to have? We wanted to have PS Wiki, we wanted to have Discord. So we call it Discord chat. And we can say you can join our community for a chat. You can join our community for a chat in Discord. And then I need the link. Copy link. Okay, and that is the link. So, and the only thing I need to do is to ensure that this thing is getting passed on, otherwise will not be clickable. Do I want to create a function to do what I'm doing or not? Because actually we are repeating this 5 times, while in theory we should have a function that is doing this, you know. We will have to pass in what? We will have to pass in the link, the Discord channel, I mean the link, the text, the label, and the event. Okay. I mean, if it makes you feel better, I think I can. So we can take this and we can shrink it to a function, and this function we call it setup one button. We call it setup one link content, one link, setup one link. So we call it setup one link. So we do this, but I need a number of parameters though. I need the label. No, I need the name of the content, which would be this one, plain shift wiki. I need the name of the, what do I need? I need a description. And I need the actual link, right? And I need the actual link. So 1, 2, and 3, Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So, okay, let me try. Set up one link. So the name will be plain shift wiki. The description will be this. The link will be this. And the delegate is that, right? Okay, so now we can just redo this multiple times and we are good. So name goes here, description goes here, and link goes here. And the rest should all be working perfectly. Working perfectly, my friends. Okay. So we don't have to duplicate anymore all that mess, you know? I did it just to avoid duplicating this over and over. So Discord chat, description, and link, right? And connect the delegate, because the delegate is the one that we use for, yeah. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this beauty. So, okay, Discord link. I don't know why it's not matching the vertical. Ah! It's so bad to see. Why? Why you're not matching? No, please. Don't make me mad. Okay, now it's matching, now it's matching, now it's matching. We are safe, we are safe, we are safe. Okay, so we have the Discord link, then we copied over to what? We wanted to have what? We wanted to have the forums link, okay. We wanted to have the forums link. Forums, okay. So the forums link will be forums. Post, we can say, post your ideas and look at what other people have to say in our forums. And the forums link is what? The forums link is... The forums link is this, without PHP session, I guess. Okay, there is the forums link. Very nice. Then what? See, yes, all of this will be done. All of this will be done automatically every time you click on... No. This is done one time at the beginning, one time at the beginning of the game. And then, so all this setup is done one time. And then when you click on one of the things on the left, one of the titles, we construct on the fly the link on the right, but that's very small. That's a relatively small effort. And the bug tracker and the bug tracker link. Okay, I think it's good to have also the bug tracker link, yes. So we can say bug tracker link. So bug tracker, we can say if you find a bug in the game, please report it in our bug tracker website. And the bug tracker is here. I think this is enough, right? Yes. Can you see how much stuff we are maintaining, boys? Can you see how much stuff but I would say I am maintaining? Can you see it? I mean, bug trackers. I mean, the bug tracker is on a server. It's been, you know, has its own applications and everything. We're maintaining the forums. We're maintaining a Discord. We're maintaining a PS Wiki. We're maintaining a game server. We're maintaining an update server. We're maintaining an old game and a new game. We are maintaining subversion repository of all our stuff. We are maintaining... Holy shit. Do you even realize how complex is this? Do you ever realize how crazy am I to do this? Or not? Okay. I was drinking. Okay, let's see if our links works. In theory they should, right? Did I do... I don't know if I called that function. No, probably I didn't. I think I didn't call setup links. Did I? Oh, I did. I did. Okay, you see, you have our 4... Why 4? They were 5, no? No, they were 4. PS Wiki. Do we want our main website? We can also have our main website. But I think our main website, everyone knows where it is. I mean, we are so famous, you know. Planeshift Wiki. This website is a collaborative wiki where you can find additional information about the game. Go to website. Okay, yes. It's opening my other browser and it's going to the wiki. Perfect. Yeah, you see that now if I click again the same item, it's not bugging anymore, yeah? Because we did a check. You can join our community, okay? Yes, it's going to the Discord invite. Perfect. Forums, go to forums. Yes. And bug tracker, go to bug tracker. Yes. Okay, I think it's very nice. I think it's very, very nice. Perfect. Nice. Okay, so now we need to populate this stuff because this stuff is actually not populated yet. This stuff is actually not populated yet. So, but yes, it works. So now it's just a matter. I see GM commands. I see GM commands. Let me see if I log in as a normal player if I don't see GM commands, okay? Did we do the GM command thingy? Did we do it? Did we do the GM command? Yes, we did it. We did it. Now, I didn't create any of the files, right? So I need to create the files. I need to create the files for each and add them. There is another important point though, that we need to specify that these files needs to be kept, right? Okay, let me just create all the files and add them to... Let me create all the files. Let me just check one thing, 1 second, because I think I fucked up my subversion. I have 1.14.1 subversion, huh? For sure there is a new one. Yeah, there is 1.14.3. Okay, let me just fix my subversion. Download 1.14 release notes. Okay, download for Windows. 32 bits. They still support 32 bits. Really? I mean, why? PS stamp, yes, is okay. 20 megabytes. Okay, we are downloading the new subversion, so I will also. But apart from that, we need to add these files now. in Unreal, there is a way to tell the engine that you want to ship certain files, even if they are not Unreal files, right? And I don't remember where is it. It's probably under packaging. It's probably under packaging. Under packaging, there should be a section with, yes, additional non-asset directories to package. Exactly. It goes by directory. What is the difference between additional directory to package, additional directory to copy? Directory containing files should always be copied when packaging your project, but are not supposed to be part of the pack files. So you keep them out of the pack file? Okay. But I think it's working anyway, right? Even if it's packaged. Like when we access the file system, I think we can anyway see these files, no? Because credits, for example, data credits is data credits. Data credits, right? When I launch the game, I think I can see the credits, right? No, because it's important that we don't... yeah, we can do a test with packaging if the help is actually showing up or not. But I don't know if I want to do it now because packaging takes quite some time. What I'm looking at distro, shipping client, right? Shipping client. Because when, yeah, it should work anyway, even if some, so if I click on credits, yeah, you see, the credits are here. So, by the way, this page of credits needs to be redone. Okay, fine. So I think that the question here is that we want to move, then we want to move those files into a data, maybe help or something like that. I think we create a data help and we move these files to data help. I think is the best idea. And then we tell the engine that yes, we want to have packaged, right, also data help the same way we have data credits. And then it means that I need to change my path because there is read the XML file, assuming it's stored in content data credits, right? So I think we will go with project content dir plus data plus path separator. No, what is the name? Path separator. No, there was a separator. There was a separator. There was what the fuck? Ah, wasn't separator? I think it was separator something. No? Get default path separator. Wow. Holy moly. So data plus credits plus that plus file name. GG. Okay. Okay, so now if I recompile this thing, it should work with the files inside data credits, which is where we want and where we have the when we are yeah, the directory we are now. I think I need to create, you know, a new file for each section, right? So it is help gm, it is help chat, and that's it, right? I think it's start here, progression, interaction, GMs, and chat, because additional help is separate. So it's 5 files, right? I think it's 5 files. Okay, succeeded. Now, what is inside? What is inside of this? Okay, this would be GM something. GM commands. I mean, just to do a test, okay? GM commands, chat commands, interaction. Say interaction. And just an example. And these commands, okay, progression. Okay. And start. Okay, so just to see if they are pointing to the right, in the right places, right? I hope they do. I hope they do. So we go into the editor and we just verify that the names that we gave to these files are correct. Wow, the download of Turtoise is like going at 5 kilobytes or 10 kilobytes per second. I think they probably do it to incentivize people going BitTorrent, because they also have it downloaded through BitTorrent. Okay, so now, so the help link worked fine, the help text worked fine, the help node worked fine, so I think we can close them all. I think this item, we just move it to 16, like if everything else, because 24 is really too much. And basically we have our window, boys. I mean, we basically did it. I think this job is done. I mean, we just need to populate now the data, but... Okay, let me see if we have all the files. We have help start, yes. Help interaction, help progression, help chat, yes. And then we have help GM. Okay, perfect. So, yeah. So I will have to add all of this to Subversion, because at the moment it's not. Okay. And then we will have to, okay, let me do one last test. Let's do one last test where we check if all the sections are populated properly, okay? I don't get the initial tab highlighted. I don't know why. Okay, we don't. Fuck. I think that what failed is probably the change they did on the directory. Most likely. Let me see. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do wrong? Content, data. What do you mean? It's not working. Why you do this? It's not working at all. I broke it completely. Data slash credits slash file name. Yeah. In theory, if we cannot read it, we should get this error. Right? I don't know if we got... Let me see if we got that error somewhere. Into client log. Yes, we actually got that. Malformed XML input file. Okay, so we cannot read that file. We were reading it before though. So because I changed the directory, yeah? PS Unreal, content, data. Ah, I'm stupid like a cow. Why I say credits if it's help? Why? Why I say credits if it's help? Really? I mean, why? I mean credits. Why credits? Only because the other one was credits. Yes, but... Okay, now it will work, boys. Now it will work, I tell you. Now it will be perfect. I just don't understand why I'm not getting the first tab selected. It's kind of strange, huh? I'm not getting the first tab selected. Why? I mean, by default it's all empty and I need to click on... But I think it would be better to see the first tab automatically, you know? Why... Why not? Okay, we get this, but we don't get the highlight. So I have to click on it too. Yeah, but why? Because I selected... Okay, anyway. Anyway, now it's working. Look at this. Now it's working, boys. Now it is working like a charm. Perfect. Yeah, the pictures works only if the picture is available. But yes, it's working fine. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, good, 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 good. And it's all parametric, it's all dynamic, so we can change the XML file and this thing changes. Beautiful. Absolutely insane. I just want to have this thing selected at the start, because I think it's annoying that it's not, huh? Why is not selected automatically? Why? 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 We have another example. We have the merchant window, right? The merchant window is automatically selecting the first tab, and that I think we debugged quite a bit. I think we debugged quite a bit. So let me open up the merchant window and we see how it's doing Win Merchant. How this is doing the selection of the first tab automatically. I think click the first category. Call button click. Hello, who joined? Hello Devro. Hey, thank you for the raid. Hello, welcome raiders. Hello, hello. I'm a tiger and I'm doing some programming for you. We are building an MMO, a fantasy MMO. And at the moment I'm working on the help window and we are pretty much done. I'm just trying, I mean that like the functionality is working, I'm just trying to understand. Set up merchant storage window. Tab selector is enabled. His setting is enabled and he's calling the add merchant window tab change. So he's doing exactly what I'm doing. So why? Why is not working as expected? Let me see. In the construct, we set up all of this and then we call the help tab changed with 31. Yes, exactly. I mean, I could do it at the end, but I don't think it's very different. What you were working on there, bro? You were streaming, right? So what you were doing? I don't know why that thing is not getting highlighted. Because this, right? Call ed help tab changed. Unless we didn't bind it yet. Unless we didn't bind it. No, but there is the tab, right? There is the tab. So when you click it, it's doing nothing else than this. So maybe in the construct is too early and not all the tabs are ready. Because actually in the Win Merchant, we don't do it in the construct. We do it after. We do it after, actually. We do it after. In the Win Merchant, we do it when you see this setup merchant storage window. And the setup merchant storage window is happening is coming from this, and this is coming from this. Oh my god. And this is coming from I don't know, it's a bit of a long story, but it's a bit of a long story. Yeah, but it's inside the show interact window. So yeah, it's basically when the character is interacting with the NPC. So this is when we select that. Now, for our help window, for our help window, I think it's too early, because the fact that it's not working is showing that probably this call in the construct is not ready to call this. So it's still building the window. So probably this is not now. Now, if I do it inside the setup help window, so if I do it here, it's basically pretty much in the same at the same time. I cannot do it on the item clicked, no. So I think I'm out of options. So we will just leave it like that. I'm out of options. I don't think I can do it. So I think you will have to click it. You will have to click it. You will have to click start. It's a bit annoying that you have to click start, but fine. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's not the biggest problem, right? I think it's okay. I mean, it annoys me a bit, but I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to fix it. I think I can move this down to item click just to prove the point, but I'm pretty sure if I move it here, then it will work, right? So it's just that I cannot do this in the construct. Actually, there is a on initialize. Called only once at game time on non-template instances, while construct pertaining to the underlying slate is called only once user widget. If you want him to do, yeah, but do you think that this is called after or before construct? Let's try to call it here and see what happens. Let's try to call it there and see if it works or not. We can win. Look at it. Listen to the epic music. We can do it. Ba-bum. So we just want the tab to be highlighted. That's the only thing that we want. I mean, it's not a big thing. I'm not asking for much, you know? I'm not asking for much. No. It's not highlighted. I mean, I just want it to be like this, right? I mean, it's not a big difference, but I just want it to be like this, like if it's clicked. Why is not doing it? Is there a post? Is there a post initialize or something? Is there a post initialize or post something? On post whatever. I mean, when everything is ready, override on. There is a pre-construct, but I don't want a pre-construct. I want a post-construct. On paint, on preview, on remove focus, on mouse capture lost, on mouse enter. We could have an on mouse enter. We could have an on mouse enter executed once with a do once. With a do once, but it will look a bit weird because basically as soon as you enter the window, you will see that tab getting highlighted, I guess. But I don't know. At this point, I'm just being a bit stubborn, you know. Maybe this is not maybe that's not the right way of doing it. I don't know, because the fact is it's not working. 31, right? I think it is. Is it really 31? Yeah, it is 31, 100%. It is 31. It is. So why is it not working? Why? Tell me why. So let's see if when I move the mouse in now. Ah, yes. You see? So it's a matter of timing because now I didn't click on it, but just when I moved the mouse in, this thing flashed, right? So yeah, the point is that it's a matter of timing. So like you cannot call that constructor. Yeah, I cannot call that dispatcher inside a constructor, but if I cannot call it inside a constructor, then yeah, because you see here it works. Here it doesn't, here it doesn't. So I'm just wondering why, you know? Why? Is it because we do something strange in our... Let me see what we do there, okay? So we bind on this thing, right? And when we bind... wait, event construct. Probably this event has not been... Why we have this delay of 0.2, by the way? What the hell? Why we have a delay of 0.2 here? What is the point? I don't know who added this delay, but it's not me. It's setting the tab selected, it's setting the opacity, and then it's setting the style equal to this, right? So simply the window is not ready yet, right? The window is not ready yet. So how do I call a bind? I don't know if it's this delay that is actually, you know, if it's this delay that is actually fucking up things, but I don't know who added this delay and why, but the question is that the construct of the window cannot call yet the construct of the... So let me try Unreal call dispatcher. Are we calling a dispatcher? No, we are calling Yeah, we're calling a dispatcher. Yes, we are calling a dispatcher, which is called tab changed, right? There is a dispatcher in our WinHelp. Yes, exactly. So I'm trying to call a dispatcher. So call dispatcher on construct, on widget construct, right? So this is not working. So if you try to call a widget, a dispatcher on widget construct is not possible. It's not possible, it doesn't work. So I need to call the dispatcher after, right? After the window is fully created. But it seems that nothing is... Do we have a window? I mean, do we have a window ready or something like that, you know? I need a widget ready, so when the widget is fully loaded. Yeah, is there a way to know when a widget is constructed? Exactly. Yeah, but bro, doing the check of a boolean in a tick function, come on. I was cooking, you're still cooking? Wow. Wait a second, I have a phone call. I need to answer this phone call. Okay, guys, I'm back. Yeah, I had to take a phone call. It was from a friend, and he didn't have very good news, but it's okay. So, so basically, the point here is that we cannot highlight. We can call a dispatcher. Now, is there another way? Like, instead of calling a dispatcher, can we just yeah, let me see what the dispatcher is doing. Instead of calling the dispatcher, the probably is not ready yet, right? Can we just do the same event tab changed? Can I just call this function not through the dispatcher? I think I can. So instead of doing that, can I just take my wd start and call the changed thingy with 31? I think this one will work. I think like this it will work. I think like this will work because that is a direct call to a function. It's not. Okay, let's see. Ah, you see, it works. It works, so we can do it that way. I think it's a better way, by the way. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, so this is finished, boys. That is completed. Job done. Mission accomplished. I cannot resize it, though. I cannot resize it. Why cannot resize it? I cannot resize it because... Cannot resize it because it's a canvas, or because... Cannot resize it... I cannot resize it. The resize doesn't work. Why the resize doesn't work, huh? Because maybe the grid is not taking the full space. No, I think it is. Maybe it should not be a canvas, should be an overlay. The problem is that if I change it now, I don't know what is happening to everything else. I think I asked myself this question already a million times, but I don't remember the answer, unfortunately. I really don't remember the answer. Yeah, this one is going through a canvas. Yeah, it's not having any canvas. So probably I need to remove the canvas from... I need to remove the canvas. If I remove the canvas, let me see. If I remove the canvas, then what happens? Then I have only a grid panel. But then I have a problem with my background images, because the background images are well, I could add the background images anyway in row 0 and say span. Okay, let me try this. So if we do this, if we add the images to the grid panel and we keep them in row 0, but we say span 2 columns, right? This basically will be identical to before, with the difference that now I can get rid of the canvas, right? So I can replace with child and see what happens. Oh my god, it became super small. I don't know, I think we broke it. But let's see. Maybe not, maybe it will work. Because the resides is working on the outside canvas, right? And if I have another canvas in between, I think that's the problem. Redeem, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. You can would be nice if you could send an audio file, I think it would be nice. Much better. Okay, the resize actually works. Nice. Yeah, the problem is that the picture at the bottom, you see the picture is getting resized as well, so that looks a bit weird, but it's okay. I think it's okay. Okay, nice. So I think this task is finished. We just need to populate the content, but populating the content, hopefully I will ask Uajet if he can populate the content for us, right? And this task is fully completed. This task is fully completed, boys. We have an help window and it's working perfectly. Nice. Nice. Yeah, very nice. Do we want to do anything else on it? I don't think so. We just need the content. We just need the content, which, by the way, we can take from the previous game. Let me see if Wadjet is available to do something, because I pinged him already. For now, is offline, but I mean, is in away. What is next? What is next is a good question. First, I want to play Wonder Boy. I don't know. They called it Wonder Boy, and he definitely tickled my curiosity. Let's just check in. Let me check. Let me see if we downloaded Subversion fully. Yes, we downloaded Subversion fully. So I think I will update it. Let me update Subversion. Yes. Just install it again. What is next? I think we can go back to generated events because we were working on generated events. Then I had a bit of a pause for this help window just because I wanted to do it. I don't know why, but generated events are kind of tough. And so I wanted to do something in between. Wow. Windows Explorer, Winamp, Discord, Microsoft Visual Studio. I think it's fine. This part we can actually reload. Uh-oh. Yeah, we will need a reboot, I guess. I think we will need a reboot, but not now. But I understand. Yeah, what's next? I think we should go with the... with the random generated events. I mean, we need to push more in that direction. I think is making the game more... making the game more interactive. Restart the system. No! Please. Don't restart the system. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, let me check in. Let's try to check in all we did, right? Because we did a lot of stuff. So we, the core redirects, we don't really care. Default game. So this one we need to check in. Added data help as permanent path to package. Then we say added help window. Added help window. Yeah, we basically added the help window. I mean, I think we didn't do anything else. We fixed... yeah, we added a bunch of widgets, but all of that is basically due to the change on the help window. Then I did some changes to this. Yes, I changed... so I improved the way... so improved check for ALS character with is ALS character. Then we added all the structure for help, but let me see if I did something else. What else did we do? Yes, we added the sprint, even if the sprint is not working at the moment. The sprint is not working. Well, this is an internal thing, so... yeah, we fixed the locations for random generated events. Yeah, we did a lot of changes here. We Yeah, we did it. We did a lot of changes. We added the random GM random events through, for example. So we can say improvement to random generated events. In particular, we added the flag on default server config to enable events also for GM. Then we allowed waypoints, so we changed we allowed waypoints to be spawn points for random generated NPC. And we also changed the way we did a lot of changes. Now it's a bit long to remember all of them, but we did a lot of changes. Yeah, so we basically allowed that okay. Then we did some fixes on prerequisites. I don't know, we did a lot of fixes. I think it's long to remember all the changes, but find random waypoint group. Yeah, so we allowed we added functions to search waypoints in groups, now used to spawn an NPC in a given set of waypoints, right? Hello, Yxaumic. Hey, hi, welcome to the stream, and thank you for the follow. We are just committing some stuff that we just completed to Subversion, and well, actually this stuff we did it yesterday, but I'm also committing the new stuff that we did today on the help window. Okay, so this should be all. Yeah, I think this should be all. I think we can check in like that. 39 files, easy. Look at this. 39 files. Revision 1931. So we did nearly 2000 check-ins already in the project. Okay, so yeah, what we developed is basically the help window. Now, so if we go to our plan, all of this is done, right? All of this is done, completely done. The only thing that I miss is the content, right? But we have that, we have that, we have that, we have that. We have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. Easy. All done. Completed. Done. Finished. Okay. I think we can save it as help window something. Just to keep track, you know, what we are doing. But yes, I think we should Unreal mission help window. I think we should go back to random generated events. I think it would be nice to have random generated, but you know, since we achieved this nice goal today, I think I want to test that video game 1 second and see how it looks. Okay, so we will play a video game 1 second. Uh-oh, why is only part of the window? Oh, okay. Para pa pa para. Oh my god, the audio. Please. Yeah, can you lower it? I can lower it only by keyboard. Okay, let's say... Oh my god, this thing is already annoying enough. It's super annoying. Ah, there is also Italian if you want. Who decided this noise for the menu? It's like super annoying. You can be a boy, you can be a girl. The classic adventurer. He traded his skateboard for his sword and shield. Okay. Before you is the monster land. Overcoming various hardship you have. Yeah, the target is the Red Dragon Throne. Okay. Let me stop the other music. But to use the dragon has power to cast curse on his enemies. The last dungeon. How do I jump? I cannot jump? I cannot believe I cannot jump. Up, down, left, right, attack, jump is X. Okay. We're jumping with X, it looks like. Use item D, inventory I, pause P, select previous item. Okay. We're jumping with X. It's so annoying to jump with X. Why someone would want to jump with X? Anyway. With A we change our attack. Okay. Yeah, but how do I attack them? With Z. No, wait a second. This freaking keyboard is impossible. Is it absolutely impossible? Okay, so jump, please, space. Thank you. Attack, attack. I don't know. We can have E or something. Attack E. Okay, perfect. Space and E. Okay, a bit better, boys. This thing is jumping. The jump is kind of weird. The jump is kind of weird. It's fuck. It gets me all the time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can I go up? No, I cannot go up. I mean, it's not bad. But it doesn't look like Wonder Boy. I mean, do you think it looks like Wonder Boy? How do I avoid these bitches? Like this. Okay. I think we got the technique, boys. We got the technique. It's the same as the previous level. Am I redoing the same level over and over? I don't understand. Maybe I died? Bro, I'm going in the same place over and over. Really? So maybe we should go down then? Why we are going in the same place over and over? Fuck. You don't lose a lot of health, by the way. I think we should go down then, huh? Probably we have to go down, because if you go right... So let's try to go down here then. yes. It is what we had to do, boys. Ah! The character is moving a bit weird, like the jump is very constrained, so... Why I'm here again? I don't know, this thing is strange. We are always in the same place. Like if you die, you just restart automatically. I mean, what is the... How this works? Seems to be something here. Oh, it was not that. You have like infinite life though. Ah, there is a door. Mecha Dragon? Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay. Can I go behind him or not? Cannot go behind him. I see. So I need to stay between the... I need to stay between his fire and his body. Dragons must be hit on their head. Oh my god. Okay. So this is basically impossible, huh? I can... Oh my. It's impossible. I hit him once now. So I can wait that he comes to me. Wait, I can wait that he comes to the end here and then stay. No way. Also because I cannot just jump up. I jump. Nearly. Absolutely impossible. Absolutely impossible. I mean, I can hit him sometimes, but just because I'm like suiciding. There is a technique. The technique would be to stay here and then hit him when he's going back, but hitting after the flame. But okay, he died. I don't know, this monster design was kind of weird. What happened? I became a dragon? I became a dragon. Well, that's very nice. I became a dragon, boys. Look at this. I totally became a dragon. Ah, there is a key. There is a key. I mean, it's not bad, but the movement, I don't know, the movement is a bit weird. It's not very easy to jump the place where you want to jump. Maybe I just need to get used to it, but is ouch. What the fuck? Okay. I just had to wait, I guess. I just had to wait, boys. Graphic is nice. But I mean, it's very nice. It looks like a cartoon, but a nice cartoon. So maybe I just need to get used to it. Holy... What is this guy doing? But for sure it's nice to be a dragon. There was a nice transition being a dragon. And now what? Proceed with your adventurous undertaking. Okay. Ah, this was the introduction. I guess this was the introduction. You see, jumping, you don't have a lot of air control, so basically when you are in air, you can move very little. So basically the jump needs to be correct already from the beginning. That's the issue. What? What is that? That was fun. Okay. Okay. We played enough, but it was fun. I think it's a nice game. Maybe I will play it. I don't know. It's okay. I mean, it has a bit of an issue with the air control of the jump, but I think it's not bad. It's not bad. I think it's not bad. Okay. Yeah, what's next? Good question. What's next? Well, what's next? The most important piece, I guess, is to have. Okay, let me take a screenshot. I think I have a screenshot already, right? That I sent to Jet with all the yes, start here, interaction progression. Yes, okay, so let me do one test to have multiple NPC spawning with random generated events. So basically we will duplicate the line of random generation, and we will have more than one NPC starting at the same time. And we want to see what happens, okay? I think it will work. There should be no problem at all. Wait a second. What? What? Database navigator. Yeah. Access denied. Access denied. Because we changed the password of the... No, but I don't think I did, but fine. What? This is a strange thing, right? We have seen it already happening. Basically, I get an error in connecting. The only way to get it actually work is to MySQL, right? It's to MySQL from the command line. And then look at this. After I do it from the command line, no, it's not working. I think it was working the other day. Yes, now it works, but I have to connect with root from the command. I mean, why is that? It's like that. It's like that. There is a security that you cannot connect unless you are already connected. I mean, this happened. This happened. Let me update maybe the beaver. Even if we already have a recent version, because the one that we have is 6th of June 2022. So actually, okay, let me upgrade it just in case. But we have this problem that happened already, right? And it happened only after the upgrade to MySQL 8. That we cannot connect in the Beaver unless we connect in SQL first in the command line, which is super strange. Never happened to me. It never happened to me, boys. Is it restarting or it's not, huh? It's not? Okay. Yeah, now we connected, for example, without any issue. Okay, so okay, so if we go in our tables, right, and we go under events, because we have an events thingy. So if we go under SC random event, we go under random events and under random events locations, right? Random events. Okay, so this is defining, yes, well, a waypoint. I was saying well played. For WP, I was saying well played. No, a waypoint generation, right? And okay, so I think if I duplicate this line, we should see actually two waypoints. Okay, let me try to duplicate this line. We can even triple it. Can I duplicate? Can I copy paste it or what? Can I copy? Can I duplicate it? Yeah, duplicate it. Duplicate it and then duplicate it again. Okay, so now we have our start, our end, area, WP city. Yeah, and everything is identical. Yes. Now, the only problem I have is this. Do you think that the NPC1, so the ID that we assign to NPC1 is within the event or is global? No, it's within the event. So everything should work perfectly, I think. I think everything will work perfectly. Let me see. So we basically created 3 different events. And we want to see the NPC spawning. Unfortunately, in the dummy database, we don't have a lot of waypoints, so Okay, apart from our nice help window. So if we go... If we go here... That is where the spawn will happen. Well, actually, yeah, but is where the spawn will happen. Wow, all three in the same place? Okay. It's a bit strange though, that all three got one didn't move. Actually, one... Okay. I mean, this guy went here. And these guys, one went here. And the other went there. This guy is like waving or something. I think we still have a problem of collision anyway. I think we have... let me show collision 1 second. Show collision. I think that, yes, you see that their weapons... Yeah, we have a problem with the collision. You see their weapons, the weapons is actually colliding. And the fact that their weapon is colliding is definitely a problem, because... Okay, so that we need to fix. That should not be too much of a problem. Now, these guys will continue to move between waypoints. And you see that they are... Okay, fine. Now, as soon as they disappear... I think it's 2-3 minutes. By the way, I think I can speak with them if I want. They will not say anything, I think, but... I think if I say hi... Well, I think we have one... Yes, hello, greetings. Yes, he has one... And he's selling weapons, right? So I can buy one. You need more money? I don't have money. I don't have money. I spend all my money in sending mails. Yeah. We have only 18 money. I spent all my money in sending mails the other day. Okay, now I have money. Ah, why that happened? Wait a second. We said that I cannot change the... Uh-oh. That's very strange. You see that I managed to remove the target selection, eh? I managed to remove the target selection, even if in theory there is a check that is checking that this window is open. There is someone stuck on the stair, eh? I see. I'm gonna move you. Hello, Funner. Wow, so many people stuck on the stair. Basically everyone. Everyone's stuck on the stair. Okay, so let's see. Do you think they will all regenerate in the same place, or? Because in theory, the point. Yeah, why the start point is always this one though? I think because I probably set... Yeah, because I set it that way. Yes. I set... In our last iteration, I think I've set only one waypoint to be Idla City, no? Actually not. Waypoints. Waypoints links. Waypoints. Oh my god. Waypoints. Yes. Yes. I've set only one as the spawning point. Yes. That's why they all spawn in the same place. That's why. No, you know what is weird that I've seen is that. Okay, they go around, which is nice. Is when I trade with this guy, right? You see that I cannot click. Oops. What is it, the second time? Because now I cannot click and I cannot lose the focus on him, right? You see? I'm clicking. But then as soon as I move the window... Wow. As soon as I move the window, I can... There is a mistake here. There is an evident mistake. That is strange. If I click on buy or sell, there is no problem. I cannot lose the focus. But as soon as I click on one of the items, no. When I click on one of the items, no. I think it's when I move the window. Yes. When I move the window, for some reason, I can lose the focus. When I move the window, that's so weird. Okay, let me check that. Let me check that, because this should be fixed. Because I did a fix to avoid losing the focus when... when this window is open. But it seems that when I'm moving the window, we are resetting something, not in the proper way. It's like if we are resetting the window visible. Because what we check, let me see, yes, you say do not allow selection in 3D World if certain windows are open. So what this check is doing is checking if this particular window is visible, right? And window visible is just checking in the array if this is true or not. Now, it seems that when I'm moving the window, which is super strange, when I'm moving the window, the visible array gets updated. That totally makes no sense. So I want to see if get visible windows. Load window layout. Yeah, but it is at the beginning, so it's impossible that happens there. It may actually happen here. It may actually happen here. Exemption for is this thing. Is this that is actually setting the windows as not visible after we save the layout. So this one should be removed, huh? I understand why we did it, but it's a bad idea because now I'm doing this in a different way. So I'm doing this in a different way. I think I can remove it. Because this is basically setting only the exchange window as... No, but wait a second, because this is 11. 11 is not the merchant window, huh? Ah, yes, 11 is the merchant window. Yeah. It's called exchange, but okay, it's this thing. This thing should be deleted. This thing should be deleted, and anyway, we do that check in another place. Okay, that is a good fix anyway. That is something that we had to fix. Now, how do we fix the collision on the spawned item? Did you see what the CIO of Unity said? No, I didn't. But I saw that they merged with another company, right? Ironworks or something like that. What did he say? Okay, so this is a good fix anyway. Now, but I want to be sure that when we are spawning the items, we are setting the collision. We are setting the collision to off, right? Because in our I'm wondering why it's not done automatically actually, but because in random events when we are generating the item, right? Inventory item. So we have an inventory. They have an inventory thingy. Let me see under generated events, because we need to remove those colliding weapons, or is really a problem. So where is that? Wait a second. Is in random event manager. Is in random event manager. And in random event manager we have an inventory for sure. Wait, this is probably inside. Yeah, spawn NPC. Spawn NPC, randomize the name, convert the traits, blah blah blah. Probably is inside random event NPC. Random event NPC, load XML. Okay. Oh, there's no inventory? What do you mean there is no inventory? No, there must be inventory, yeah. Inventory was the first one. Okay, so we basically added to inventory inside NPC data, right? And okay, so that's fine. So when we are spawning the NPC, we call we call load dynamic. We call load dynamic. We need to understand why the weapons that are not getting the right collision. Mr. Allah said if you are a dev and you don't think buy monetization in your game from day one, you're a fucking idiot. Okay. Okay. So we should think about monetization, but we don't care about it. We don't care. So where is the loading of the inventory? Load traits from array. Inventory, there it is. Inventory, okay. Instantiate basic item. Load, add loaded item. So this is basically the way we do it, right? And it is under PS character. I think the difference is that we are not equipping the item with the standard equip functionality. I think we are equipping the item. I mean, I'm sure there is a time when we those corporate people. Now, I think what he wanted to say is that I think what he wanted to say is that in a game today, right, monetization inside a game is a big part of your revenue, right? So if you are thinking to sell the game up front and give it a price, is okay, but it's probably better these days to actually have monetization, meaning selling items in game and having microtransactions and having all of that, right? So I think it's probably, which is, I would say, not a news. I mean, that has been there since like 10 years, so I don't understand what he's saying. I mean, yes, but everyone knows it already. So what is the news? Now, you know, because we have this problem, and I don't know if we have a collision. I remember that we were disabling collision somewhere here, but probably it is a good graph, huh? Let me search for collision. Collision enabled. Current item in left hand. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So you see this. This is the static mesh item is replicated, but the texture is not replicated, and the collision is not replicated. So we need to replicate the texture and collision manually. So I have the feeling that this one is not getting called when we create generated event NPC, because otherwise we would have the collision disabled here. But I think it's not called. The problem is, boys, that I need to go. But I think we finished the help window completely, which is nice. So I need to go. I will be on tomorrow evening around 9:30 my time. Okay, 9:30 usually p.m. Central European time. Okay. Meanwhile, if you want to click on follow on Twitch and subscribe on YouTube, that's always a good idea. And if you want to check our Patreon site, it is patreon.com/planeshift. You can join and support the game and get access to the alpha, which is always nice. I think in their mindset, you can never let any money on the table. Yeah, I understand. But yeah. But again, it's not a big, it's not a big revelation. Right? It's not a big revelation that you cannot leave money on the table. Okay, boys, we are going away, but we will be back tomorrow, so don't be sad. Don't be sad, because I will be here tomorrow, okay? And we will continue to develop this game until it's done, until it's completed. Okay. Bye. You call developers that didn't think about monetization? Fucking idiots. Well, I think it's a bit too much, but anyway. Bye.